Hi guys, so as I'm sure that you saw from the title of this video, this is a what I eat in a day video when I am 38 weeks pregnant. Hence the fact that I am extremely out of breath when I'm talking to you guys, so I apologize for that. But I am just a few days shy of being 38 weeks pregnant, and I thought it would be interesting to show you guys how I eat throughout the day. Of course, I do probably eat a little bit more because I require a little bit more calories when I am pregnant and breastfeeding, more so than I would if I wasn't. I also wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Care Of, so thank you Care Of for sponsoring today's video. I have been using their vitamins since I became pregnant, which include a prenatal in the package, but I love these because they are so convenient. They're sent to my door. I cannot tell you how many times in my previous pregnancies I have ran out of prenatal vitamins and I just forget them every time I go to the store, and I would go a while without having them because I would just forget. So when you order through Care Of, you go online, you take this really simple quiz, which I love. I don't know, I'm kind of this weird person that loves doing the quizzes and then finding out like the answers about yourself. So I answered all of the questions. It was like not even 5 minutes, and then it told me all of the vitamins that I should be taking, and then they send them to you in this cute little convenient package that you can put on your bathroom counter or next to your coffee machine. That's usually where I keep mine. And then they come individually packaged just like this, and they are so cute. They'll say hi and then your name, and then they have like a little quote or a saying on here, and you just feel like they're so personalized to you, which they are. Everything in here is something that I should be taking for my body type. I feel very confident taking Care Of vitamins and also giving my baby those vitamins while he's still cooking. They make it easy to see where they source their ingredients from, and they always ensure the highest quality of vitamins. So I have a really good deal for you guys. You can get 50% off if you use my code. I'm going to leave that right here. I'm also going to leave all of the information in the description box below. That way you can just click on the link, go and take the quiz and see what vitamins are best for you, and then use my code and get 50% off your first monthly pack of vitamins. I promise you are going to become addicted once they just show up to your doorstep every month, and you don't have to worry about going back to the store and buying all those vitamins and not really knowing where that they're sourced from. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my vitamins this morning, but if you guys are interested, be sure to check out the link in the description box below and use my code for 50% off. So I usually eat my breakfast between 7:30 and 8 o'clock in the morning. It just depends on whether or not I have to take Carter to school that morning or if I slept in, which is unusual. But I have been on an oatmeal kick lately. It is one thing that doesn't give me heartburn and doesn't upset my stomach. And I love to add peanut butter to my oatmeal. So I'm just using the brown sugar and maple oatmeal packets. I could be a little bit healthier and just do straight oats, but I love the maple and brown sugar flavor, so that's what I'm doing. While that is in the microwave cooking, I am just going to open up these hard-boiled eggs. I buy these in bulk from Sam's because I could eat hard-boiled eggs all day long for every meal, so I'm just going to salt and pepper these. And then once my oatmeal is ready, I'm just going to put a spoonful of peanut butter and a tiny bit of milk into it, and that will be my breakfast. So I won't be having this morning, but I wanted to show you guys these Carnation Breakfast Essential Drinks. These are great for the first trimester when you're suffering from morning sickness. I think for the first trimester I lived off of these. So they have great protein, vitamins, and minerals. So if you guys are suffering from morning sickness, be sure to check them out. So now I'm just going to make myself a cup of coffee. I do this most mornings. Sometimes I'm not in the mood for coffee and sometimes I don't finish it. Usually I don't finish it. But I have the Nespresso Latissima machine. I absolutely love it. I will link it below for you guys. And I'm just making a latte with a caramel pod. And then I'm going to use my favorite creamer. These new creamers by Starbucks are so good. This is the Cinnamon Dulce Latte. And right after breakfast is usually when I will take my care of vitamins. I don't want to take them on an empty stomach just in case they upset my stomach, especially while pregnant. And then I will usually refill my water multiple times throughout the day. So depending on what time I ate breakfast, I will usually have a snack between 10:30 and 11. I have been loving yogurt lately, and this brownie batter one by Ellie, I hope I'm saying that right, is really good. But today I actually decided to eat the Chobani Flip with cookie dough pieces. This yogurt is so good. So right now Cash and I are running some errands. We are actually driving out to one of my favorite antique stores to look for some fall stuff. But I wanted to bring the camera along with me and show you guys what I would get if I am out somewhere. So it is 5 minutes till noon and I'm in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. This is totally the most honest what I eat in a day video, so I'm not like... if I wanted to make this something that I'm not, I would totally stay at home and cook the most healthy meal ever, but really this is real life and me at 38 weeks pregnant. So I'm going to order a grilled chicken sandwich. It just sounds really good. So like I said, I could totally sit at home and make this look like I eat super healthy all the time, but I don't. And I think that a grilled chicken sandwich is a pretty healthy option for if you're eating out somewhere. It's one of my favorite things to get at Chick-fil-A besides the Cobb salad. I usually almost always get the Cobb salad with light balsamic vinaigrette. However, when I'm driving like I am now, it's kind of hard to eat a salad while you're driving. So I still have like 25 minutes before we're there probably, so I'm starting to feel really hungry. So anyways, I just wanted to fill you guys in on what I'd be having for lunch. I probably will make dinner this evening when I get home later, and I'll show you guys that. Yes, baby? Yeah. What? As far as my pregnancy, if you guys are new to my channel, this is my 4th baby and everything has been healthy. I have had a healthy pregnancy, so no need to worry about what I'm feeding my baby, okay? We're both healthy. I have gained, I think, 21 pounds this pregnancy, and this has been the most that I have gained with any of my pregnancies is 21 pounds. Usually I level off around 19 and then I kind of like lose the weight. And I haven't started losing the weight yet, so maybe that's just what happens right before you deliver. You start losing a lot of like water weight and stuff like that, but 21 pounds is the most that I have gained in any pregnancy, so I'm thinking maybe this will be the biggest baby. As far as my diet goes, like I said, I'm not a dietitian and I don't have the best diet in the world, but this is very realistic, I feel like, for most people. So you ready for some food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hi, yes. Thank you. So just in case you guys are not familiar with Chick-fil-A, or if you sadly don't have one near you, this is what the grilled chicken sandwich looks like. The bun is so good. It has grilled chicken, lettuce, and tomato, and then I usually add some kind of sauce. You can add like a honey mustard sauce or a Polynesian sauce is usually what I do, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, just so you have an idea, just in case you don't have a Chick-fil-A. I'm sorry to tease you, but Chick-fil-A is like our favorite, or at least my favorite drive-through place. And then I got a half sweet, half unsweet tea. Hi, I'm sorry. Can I get a grande iced chai tea latte with almond milk? All right, so we just pulled through the Starbucks drive-through because it's 2 o'clock. So we are on our way to, well, it's 2:15. I'm going to pick up Carter right now, and I wanted a little bit of a snack. We had time to stop, and I barely drank any of my coffee this morning. I don't know why. Sometimes I'm just like, I take one sip and I'm not in the mood for it. So I grabbed an iced chai. I just got a grande because sometimes the venti makes me need to pee like all day long, every 5 minutes. So, and I'm stopped right now, but I just grabbed that, one of the pumpkin cream cheese muffins, which I've never had before, but it sounded good. Then I grabbed Kashi a cake pop. So that is my snack for the day. Like I said, this is real life. This is not how to lose 20 pounds while pregnant. This is just my real life. So tonight I'm making homemade stroganoff. I don't know if I've ever showed this in a vlog before. I feel like I have once, like a long time ago. But it is definitely one of my favorite things, and it tastes a lot better than just making like stroganoff out of the box. So I'm going to be making those, also putting in some rolls. I'll show you guys those. I'm not doing like a homemade roll, but they are like the best and easiest rolls to make, and then also a salad. So I'll show you guys how I do all this. The ingredients are so simple and it is so quick to do. I am boiling some water on the stove, and then I'll show you all the ingredients as I go along. So these are the noodles that I'm using, and sorry, I just got back from Target because I had to go pick up a few grocery items. So as you see here, I've got a few things, but I'm going to be using these noodles. So I've just got some boiling water on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these noodles in. While the noodles are getting soft, I'm going to brown the turkey. You guys can use beef if you want to. I just use this is what I usually use, the honeysuckle white ground turkey. But of course you can use beef if you want to do a beef stroganoff, but none of my kids ever really notice a difference, and I prefer turkey because it's a little bit healthier than using beef. So that's just my preference, but you guys can use whichever one you want. So these are the rolls that I buy, and I just have 6 out on here for us tonight because it's just Cooper and Cash. I love that you don't have to take them out early and thaw them or let them rise, and they're ready in only 5 to 10 minutes. After the meat is ready, it's nice and brown, all you have to do is add sour cream and cream of mushroom. I usually get light sour cream just because it makes me feel better, but you can get regular sour cream, and I just add the full thing of this and then half of this one. If I had got a smaller size, like an 8 ounce, I would add the full 8 ounce sour cream, but I'll just add half of this one since it's a 16 ounce. So it is 9:30 and I am usually ready for a bedtime snack. At this point, I cannot go to bed without eating a snack, or else I will wake up in the middle of the night feeling pretty sick. So my snack lately has been Lucky Charms. I love to have cereal at nighttime, and Lucky Charms is definitely not the healthiest, but it's what I crave at nighttime. So I'm going to enjoy this while I have 2 weeks of my pregnancy left. I also tend to drink a lot of water at nighttime, which is probably why I am up so much going to the bathroom all night, but that's when I want water the most, is at nighttime. Don't forget to check out the link below for Care of Vitamins and use my code for 50% off your first month's order. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.